Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Intex pools on Amazon. Intex pools have become extremely popular as an alternative because they are easy to install and affordable. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Intex Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool. Sometimes, setting up an above-ground pool involves hard work, but luckily, that isn't the case with the Intex 12 feet into the 30i above-ground pool. In only 10 minutes, you will have a nice swimming surface in your yard, and the package has a filter pump included too, helping you maintain the water clean. Dropping a pool party inside your yard has never been more entertaining, and since it is a pool that is made for children and adults, everyone will have fun and space to cool off during the warm summer season. Super tough laminated PVC has been used as the main material for construction, delivering a design that is made to last. What we like about it? Filter pump included for easy installation. Tough PVC materials provide excellent durability. Drain plug for moving the water easily. Number 2. Intex Swim Center Inflatable. The pools are all about enjoyment, and the Swim Center Inflatable above-ground pool is ready to deliver it all. Featuring a built-in bench for parents to relax while they watch their kids play, ensuring comfort and safety. You can get cozy inside while watching the kids enjoy the water. In addition, 2 side cup holders will allow you to enjoy drinking your favorite cocktail while cooling off inside the best Intex pool. Also, there is a drain plug, and it is made of durable vinyl to serve you well over the years. What we like about it? A 10-foot diameter with a place to relax. No filter pump is needed. Ready in 15 minutes. Number 3. Intex Easy Setup 10-foot and 30-inch. The large size is what makes the Intex Easy Setup 10-foot 30-inch brilliant option. With a 10-foot diameter and a 30-inch height, it is one of our biggest options that are budget-friendly. As a part of the 3 Intex edition of pools made from PVC that have variations in their size, you can find your perfect fit without much effort. And this is so far their biggest option that is deep enough to let you swim in it. People love this pool since it is easy to set up and no tools are needed since it can be ready for water in 15 minutes. What we like about it? Deep enough to allow you to swim inside. No extra tools are needed for the setup. Ready for water in 15 minutes. Number 4. Intex Metal Frame. The great durability provided is what makes the Intex 12-foot 30 inches metal frame above the ground pool so special. If you enjoy cooling off in your garden once the warm summer days arrive, this pool can serve you well over the years. With a featured metal frame pool set together with a filter pump included, you can receive the whole package without the need to buy the parts separately. Super tough laminated PVC was used as the main material, helping you enjoy cooling off inside without worrying that leakage will occur, making it highly resistant to damage from abrasion, impact, and sunlight. And since it comes very large, this pool is great for the whole family, not only the kids. What we like about it? Filter pump included in the package. Tough PVC material for extra durability. Drain plug to ensure that the draining water will be easily moved. Number 5. Intex Easy Set Large. If you loved the previous Easy Install pool, you will adore the Intex Easy Set Large above ground pool even more. Large garden owners will love such an option because it is ideal for the summer months. Made out of tough laminated PVC, it is ready to serve durability for many seasons to come, and there is a convenient drain plug included, allowing you to attach the plug to a hose. When it comes to installation, you shouldn't worry at all because the 110 to 120 volt filter pump is already included, filling the surface with clean and fresh water in 10 minutes. What we like about it? 110 to 120 volt filter pump that will allow you to fill it in 10 minutes. Fast setup by only spreading the pool. Laminated PVC walls to ensure durability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.